everybody? DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video, y'all.
Yeah, what's going on? What's going on, peeps? Hey, look, back with another little small project here. So, I was pretty much looking at my auxiliary input on my car. So basically, pretty much, when I have replaced the factory radio, I pretty much, try to do a little research and find all the little adapters that was needed for pretty much like to retain a lot of the factory stuff, like the steering wheel control, plus the backup camera. And I was able to find adapters for those, but for some reason, I could not find one for the auxiliary input, which used a USB and a 3.5 little plug input. So put it like this, they have some out there, but it's not for my year, make and model of my car. So the only other solution that I came up with was, hey, I'm gonna try and find a universal auxiliary input which I can use and just simply replace the factory one. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. So this right here, this is what my factory one is. I unplugged it a long time ago, but you see it has a USB input and a little plug input. So you see I have a aftermarket radio which plays USBs, and the extended cord from that, I got it ran into the glove box. So instead of me, now I could leave it in the glove box if I wanted to, but I wanted to take it out and just run a line from here to the back of the radio with no problem. So with that, I'm gonna have to, like I said, I'm gonna have to take this out, pull this out. And matter of fact, I've been having this for a good little while right here. It's a universal water resistant, it's an auxiliary interface. So pretty much, this is what it looks like. It's circular. Let's see if I can take this cap off. All right, see? There's the USB and that, but I'm not using that. I don't use that no way. So, I mean, I'm not worried about connecting that at all. I just want my USB input. Pretty much that's it, because that's basically all that I use, So, that's a little cap to cover it up when you're not using it. It's a pretty long string that comes with it. So, I'm gonna show you the inputs. So bear with me. So here we go. See, with this right here, this USB, see, all I have to do with this in here, just plug it into the back of my radio, and that'll give me the access for to use this right here. No problem. And this right here, this is just the audio input. If I wanted to let's see, connect this, I think my radio does have an extra set of inputs. I'm gonna have to really check pretty much. You know what? Better yet, before I even pull the radio out, I could just pull up my manual for the radio and actually see exactly how many inputs that I actually have on there. But like I said, my main focus pretty much is to use the USB. That's what I want right there. So pretty much I'm going to either way go, this shit got to come out. So I kind of already started a little bit pulling it out. So So see, there we go. See, it has a square hole, rectangular hole right there. So that ain't no problem. Now I can come up with a little something there to fix that. So you know what? I gotta check before I do anything. I'm gonna have to check up underneath there just to make sure and see if I have any room for something that I can add with no problem. You know what I mean? So I won't be cutting into anything. I definitely want to remount it, you know? So, and I was just looking through my a lot of my accessories that I had, and I just happened to pretty much remember that I had this right here. So I'm like, I wonder if this will fit. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to come over a little bit. I do feel like a little nudge or something is right there. So yeah, that's gonna be a little something to deal with there. Now I could probably, let me see. I could probably come up with something, say like, probably most likely come a little bit over towards this way right here and shave some off. Pretty much make a little room. And what I could do, I'd probably make like a little baffle or something to put over this, make it stand up a little bit more. And that way I can just drop that straight on in there. Yeah, I could probably do that. Yep, we're gonna figure it out though, yeah. Let's see. Let's say, look, here's my factored piece right here. So I really wanted to keep this, but they just didn't have the adapter in for it, you know? I mean, which would have made it a simple, just plug and play, like boom, just snap these back together. And the one behind the head unit is just one little piece, and if I could have got that adapter, it'd have been just snap and boom, it'd have been ready, but yeah, you don't have it, so yep. So I will see, y'all. I will see. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little brainstorming on this right here. Yeah, like I said, I definitely want to do that. But I can tell right off the rip, they got something that's right there close to the edge. Just kind of close. Got a little bit of space on this side. So yeah, we definitely go construct something together and come up with something. So yeah. Yep, I'm definitely have to get to the old drawing board with this one and figure something out for sure. So actually, this piece here is actually with a universal mount, but this is more for like if you have a big dash or whatever, something, you know, you can mount that right up underneath it and then just, you know, run it through there with no problem. But see, it's different when you have a smaller car that you're trying to add something to. You don't have the room or the access to do that. So, yeah, gotta brainstorm a little bit on what I'm gonna do with it. Pretty much. I know I got something laying around this junk pile which I can use. Yep, I'll do a little cleanup. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely find something. I mean, y'all see, I have all type of little accessories just laying around. So, yeah. I think I got something in mind what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just pretty much just check out the thickness of it, the little piece. That's what I'm thinking of. Just cut a little piece and mount it over that, which should give me enough clearance to just drop it on in there. Then running the plug ain't gonna be no problem, because all I have to do then just pull the radio out and just run the wire along the console underneath, come behind the radio, plug in, boom, that's it, she ready. So yeah, matter of fact, hold on, we might be in business right here. Look at this here. Quite thin enough. Might have something right here, y'all. Yeah, I might be able to use this. Get me some measurements together. Think we're on to something. Yeah. All right, so look, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get everything together, and we gonna get this right, y'all. I can't wait to finish this one. Yeah, definitely gonna get it. All right, everybody, I am back. So as you see, I got the little factory piece out of here. And remember I said I was gonna probably try and use the universal one? Nope, change your plans, y'all. So let me show you what I did. So here is the factory piece, USB auxiliary piece that I took out, right? So guess what I did? I decided to use this instead, and what I ended up doing was chopping some of the little plastic ends off of it, pretty much. So pull it back in off, and I cut it down pretty much. And what I ended up doing was, well, let's put it like this. I looked up by having an extra USB cable, which went to my old Pioneer radio. And I forgot, to be honest with you, I totally forgot I even had it. So that ended up being a good fit for the go right up in there. So basically I took out the old piece of, where is it? There you go, right here. So I ended up taking out the old connecting piece in there, out of there, you see that? And I was able to cut it enough to where, look, boom. I was able to pretty much like cut it and pretty much like force it up in there, pretty much. So yeah, that's about as close as I can get it right there. So look, that looks factory. So yeah. So you know what we gotta do now? We got to we gotta give it a little shot and see if this works or not. So I thought this right here would be a better way of doing it, instead of then hacking up the console and just use the center, use the factory piece. Like I said, I ended up, like I said, cut like the back end out a little, pretty much, and we got that little piece to go up in there from the back end, and look at that. That looks factory to me, that good. So now, the next thing to do is to see will this work with this connection. So, right up in here, as y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I'm gonna bring the light in here where y'all can see it. But this is the connector that I'm using right here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take that down.
Go ahead and take this down. Well, take this USB out. So cool. So now what I'm going to do is, you know what? I hope this works. So I'm going to try and connect this one to this. Let's hope it works, y'all. Oh, look at that. Plug in. It's a plug in. Uh-oh. We might be on to something here. We might be on to something. Okay. So I got this part right here. So let me get my keys. Turn this on real quick. Turn the radio down so we won't have no issues. Get out of here, bug. We ain't having it today. Well, I swear, you can't do no work, boy, without these bugs, man. They just gotta bug you. God, dog. Jeez. Okay, but anyway. Alright, so here we go. Here's the try. Hey, look. So if this piece right here lights red, it works. So let's go for it. Oh, y'all see that? Oh, we in business. Uh-oh, we in business. I see the red light blinking. Uh-oh. We in there, bud. We is in there. Let me get this situated. And look, on the radio, look at that. You see the USB. All right. So, you know I can't play none of the copyright stuff, so I'm gonna have to go to my little YouTube test tones, whatever that I have on here, just to make sure that it's working. There we go. Let's see. Look, it's blinking. Yep, y'all see that? It's working, y'all. Get out of here, bug. Man, these mosquitoes are bad. Goodness gracious. Look, I wanted to close the garage, but at first I said, nah, I'm gonna let some air come through. But god dog it, man, these mosquitoes here, boy, they trying to tote you off. Good sakes alive. So yeah, let's give it a shot, bud. Let's see. Oh man, the USB working perfect. Yeah, y'all see that light working? Yeah. All right. Let me turn that off. So yeah, that is a plus. Y'all know what? Y'all know what I'm about to do? Forget all this craziness. I'm about to close this garage door. Jeez. These doggone mosquitoes bad, man. Look, I know I want to stay cool, but the mosquito, I'm sorry, he gotta go. He gotta stay hot. He bugging me. He bugging me too much. He got to go. So yeah, hold on, y'all. Let me get my light right quick so we can have some good lighting for y'all. So you know what? That turned out to be an even better idea than using this universal one that I have. It has like I don't know if y'all remember seeing like a little round piece on it. Don't have to use that. Not at all.
Here's my light. Yeah. So that ended up being a great idea. Oh, yeah. I like that. I don't have to tap my dash. I mean, not put it like that, but you know, I had to do no alteration to it. But yeah. So like I said, here's the piece right here. This was, like I said, this right here was the factory piece. And just explaining it, like I said, I cut all the back end out of it back there. Had to do some shaving down pretty good. Once I got it shaved down enough, I was able to slide this other piece, this USB in, back in now. So, let me go ahead and take this out. Set that up there. So yeah, I was able to cut it all out and able to mount this here from the rear, as y'all see. Got it mounted through there. Had to pretty much like make sure that it squeezed pretty tight up in there, you know. And I did keep this little circle piece right here for the cable. I'm not using it anyway, so you see it's disconnected. So yeah, so now look. Hey, that looks factory now. Yep, that turned out to be a good idea. Cause I had other options like either like drill a hole down there and mount it. But since they had this factory hole already, shoot, look, why not use that? So now, the big thing to do, I'm at to run it, I'm at to disconnect it again from up in there and run the wire through here. Run it up underneath the console back behind there so that way I can make a connection. So that's what I'm about to do, y'all. Let me see here. I don't know if y'all be able to see me do it or not, but I'm gonna try and show y'all the little process. So that way y'all can kind of like see what I'm doing. Man, I'm glad that turned out good, because I was like, man, I do not want to cut nothing on my dash. Man, oh man, I sure didn't. So that's even better there. So now, I'll actually take this USB out from the back end back here. Well, I'm happy about that. Alright, we in the building. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that turned out nice. Man, oh man. So, game plan. Like I said, we're going to connect that down there. So, it's secured enough. You know, definitely secure enough. It's not going anywhere, so I tried it out. But I was thinking about putting some super glue on the ends just to make sure that it actually stays in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this wire, run it down through there, and I had to do the work on the back end part. So most likely, let me see here. Yep, so I have 2 screws I gotta take off the back end of this console for to raise it up a little bit, and I'll be able to get a hold of the cord and run it up to my connection right here and just tuck the wire and hide it up underneath. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So hey, look, I would show y'all the process, but I don't want to bore y'all. So I'm gonna just explain it once I finish with it. So I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I am back. So I got the wire ran. You can't see it. Got it ran up underneath the console, already connected. So here's the USB port right here. I'm about to go ahead and snap that back in place. Look at that. Wow. Right in place, y'all. Look at that. Man. Nothing to hack up. Like that. Look at that. Got that factory look. That's what I'm talking about. Now. Okay, now where did I put the doggone the drive at? Oh man. I just had it. Look, here we go. All right. Let's turn the car on one more again. I want to make sure that it's reading. Make sure it's down. Okay. So you see it's trying to connect to the USB, but it's not connected. So, all right, so with this unit here, you see when it's not connected, it doesn't show on this side right here. So let's connect it. Make sure it's working. There we go. See the red light. Red light flashing. Boom, USB working. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. Let's crank it up, make sure it's working good. Yes. I've done it, y'all. So instead of then modifying the console port right there, and I think this here turned out to be a good idea, keeping this factory piece right here instead and just modify it on the back end. And hey, she working perfect, man. Can't complain. Working perfect, working like a charm. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. But this is how it originally came from the factory though. And the reason, all around reason for doing this is, okay, of course, like I said, I took the factory radio out and I had to buy certain adapters. But when it came to wanting to retain the factory USB, this right here, I couldn't find a plug for it. But the ones that they had was for the older Nissan Versas. It was like for the 2010 and 2012. So I was like, nah, man, that ain't gonna work. So, hey, just doing a little brainstorming. Hey, like I said, I was gonna use that universal piece at first. But after kind of brainstorming, like I said, I say, shoot, let me see if I can retain this here, but see if I have a extra USB cable. And lucky enough, I had one from my old Pioneer radio. And man, it worked out fine. Yes. That worked out perfect, y'all. So now I can just put my USB right there. Yeah, I am good. Yes, indeed. We are back. And look at that, y'all. That looks good. And when I don't want to listen to that, all I gotta do just, hey, look, take it out, cover it up. That's a wrap. Just that simple. Nothing to it. All right. That is done, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Let me get all this stuff out here. I'll clean the rest of this up later. Look, it's a little hot out here.
Man, oh man. Whew. Yes. That saved me a good trip, boy. I did not trust and believe me, I did not want to start cutting in on that center console because I know that would have took hella time. No. It's amazing. It's amazing what you can do when you brainstorm, boy. Man. Woo, boy. So, yep. Didn't have to end up using it, y'all. Yep, didn't have to use it. Look at that. It looks nice though. But I could probably use this on something else though. I'm pretty sure I could find another project and use this for, you know? So, hey, till then, look, it's going right back in the storage bin. Yeah, man, I am done. I am happy with that. So yeah, so now, see, I showed y'all how to retain your USB factory look, you know, without tearing up anything on your car, you know. But pretty much some of the newer cars, you know, once again, you don't have to go through that, you know. They trust and believe me, they already got a good spot for the USB to go, so that way you can listen to your music. Most likely go be right up on the dash, whatever, or right up under the dash next to the radio. So, you know, quick, easy connection. So yeah, man. But if anybody have a Nissan Versa like what I got, hey, look, trust and believe me, if you change out your radio and you want to retain that factory USB connection, you probably have to end up doing the route that I did, you know. Do it like that. Now, if you got this is using a Pioneer radio, which has the USB connection in the back of it. Now, I'm pretty sure they might have another brand that does have a USB input on the back end. Now, you got some radios that have the USB on the front end part of it too. So you got options. But what I like about my radio though, see, I have two sound options really for the music. I can use the USB, or either I can use the micro SD card. So I have two options, and right now I have the mini SD card in there right now. So hey, I'm good either way. So, and of course, you know, it got the Bluetooth on there and everything. So yeah, my radio is pretty much loaded with stuff on there, with all type of options. So hey, with that there, I am good, man. I am happy that turned out good, yeah, boy. Yes, indeed. Let me look back at that one more time. Man, that looked good, yeah, boy. I mean, look, back to factory status. Nothing cut up. Now, of course, I did change out my cigarette lighter too. I put a new one in there. But yeah, man, that looks great, man. So now I have to worry about digging up inside the glove box, you know, connect my USB. I don't have to worry about that. Make sure I unlock this trunk. So I got a habit of doing that. Matter of fact, you know what? Let me check my box out and everything while I'm right here. Yeah, the material still look good on here. Okay. Yep, everything's still looking good. Especially on this end over here. Everything looking good still. Yes. Let's see, you know what? Need to check these lights right quick. And look at that. That truck look pretty good, y'all. Not bad, huh? Need to check this light. Oh crap. I forgot. Gotta put this other side down first. make sure everything's still functional. Oh yeah, it's still looking good, y'all. Everything's still functioning good there. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, still looking good. Yes, sir. Still looking good. See the doors. Let's add some more glue on that one now. Yes. Everything looking fine. Blue up there. Yes, we are straight. All right. Go ahead and lit this up. We are looking good on that. All right. You know, every now and then I like to do a little testing out just to make sure everything is still working good as it should. All right. All right, y'all. That is it. So, hey, the USB input is done. I am happy with it. So, hey, look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And look, don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all be notified when I drop a new video. And also, be on the lookout, y'all. We got we got 2 car shows coming up. Now this one here, hopefully the weather be good. You notice I say hopefully. I seen it was like about 40% chance of rain. I hope it dies down pretty much, and like come way later, whatever. Because we are going to the Life with the Ike's car show this Saturday coming up. So yeah, you know I'm excited about that. So I can bring y'all that good footage. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I get a chance to show y'all Life with the Ike's box Chevy. You know that clean blue one that he got? Yeah, so you go get to see that there. Like I said, as long as the weather be good, we are straight, you know. So I'm excited about that. So that's why I say make sure y'all have y'all notification bells turned on. Yes, I'm gonna bring y'all some good footage of that. Then plus after that, after this week, the following weekend, DJ Envy, he has a car show. Guess what? I'm gonna be there too, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all that footage. So yeah, man, look, I am excited about that. Get to see some nice rides and everything. And man, I am done, y'all. That wasn't too bad though. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing when you brainstorm, you know, you sit back and observe something for a little bit, that wheel get to turning. So yeah, get those ideas going, man. I'm telling you, look, ain't nothing like being a do-it-yourselfer, you know. Now, just imagine if I would have took that to somewhere else to get that done. Man, they would have knocked my head off on the price, you know. They would have tried to sell me everything in the kitchen sink just to get it installed, whatever. Nope, not here. So yeah, hey, look, I appreciate y'all. Hey, look, we gonna keep rocking forward with it. No stopping at all, y'all. So appreciate it. So yeah, I am done. As y'all see, the USB is working fine. Man, oh man, I'm happy about that. So now the only thing I gotta do now is you know, I need to wash my ride a little bit. So we go see. They're trying to make sure the weather be decent out here first too, you know. So yeah, I'm a little dusty right now with it, but that's all right. I can't wait to get out there in Mississippi, man, and show off the bump, you know what I'm saying? That's what I need to get y'all, some footage of my system bumping, man. Y'all got to see that in action, though. But, hey, look, anyway, this DJ Ronnie Mechanic here. Hey, look, I am out. And as always, I will catch y'all on the next video and, of course, the next install, whatever that might be. Yeah. That's it. Who that is? Okay, y'all know. All right, y'all, I'm out of here.